Got the riprap for the basin coming in. All right, finished project here in Tempe. This lawn to basin conversion. We have the roof here, right here. Put on some new gutters there as well. So we got that downspout. This one over here, and a third one on the right side. And they're all coming in underground here. Right there, coming under the wall, under here into our basin right there, and as well as that guy on the other side coming over to here. We mulched the bed areas. The HOA required us to rock the grass area. Unfortunately, he wanted to do mulch everywhere, but they wouldn't let him. We have this awesome about 5.5 foot saguaro cactus. It's in the shade cloth right now, but really neat. This is comes from our guy Richard there in Phoenix Cactus Sales down on Southern Avenue in South Phoenix. Beautiful rock work by the guys. We've got some of their favorite pollinator plants kind of surrounding our basin. Desert milkweeds, Perry's penstemons, Baja fairy dusters, Angelita daisies, globe mallows, blackfoot daisies. We have chuparosa here in the beds, green hopseed. We installed, our client's putting in some of his plants in the entry here. Put in this trellis as well. It's growing the lilac vine. We pruned up his olive and let more light in here, and he's already been planting more stuff under here. Looking great. And then we have our basin is bookended by a desert ironwood and velvet mesquite. So we have the two of them kind of bookending and going to create some really great shade canopy in this. In the future, you will have trouble even seeing the front of his house. Then we come over to side yard here. This is coming off of a flat roof, down this pipe, under, into the pop-up drain here, up and down the drainage arroyo we go. Desert milkweed. We have a desert willow tree. Gonna provide some nice western shade over here. Beautiful sage that was already here. We have, we put in this Mexican bird of paradise. Awesome tree, nice, beautiful yellow flowers, thornless. Put in a little bit of a deep sink basin right there. And great way to kind of move that water down these little skinny side yards. So really fun project. Love turning these kind of grass lawns that he wasn't really using very much and was just, barely keeping it alive. And now we're going to really create this nice little native forest here in the front, because over time here we're going to get some really nice shade along with a lot of his, and he's peppered in all of his cacti that he loves, and got some of these pollinator plants, and really directed this front yard's really for the wildlife and shade for the humans. So a lot of fun.